Hello guys, welcome back to Blink Sahana AASHNI'S World. So today, the topic is, just imagine what if your name will be what if your name will be Okay, come on, let's go into the video. Hello ma'am, so which coffee do you want?
I would like to have the new cold coffee.
Okay ma'am. Ma'am, what is your name? Can you please repeat your name?
My name is
Ma'am, don't joke with me. I have told you to tell your name, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Stop doing this big deal acting. My name is
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Your name is or what?
Yes.
Okay, I will write your name. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh yeah.
Can you take your coffee, ma'am?
Oh yeah. Ma'am, my spelling is wrong.
What's your spelling, ma'am?
My spelling is Ahahahhah.
Okay, ma'am. From next time, I will write Ahahahhah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. What the weird lady she was? Her name was what the hell? Roll number 16. Ria. Present or absent?
Absent, ma'am.
Absent. Okay. 17.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Present, ma'am.
Why were you absent for this much days?
Ma'am, because I was having
Oh, I was absent because or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Present.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, why is
Why are you asking? And why you all guys are laughing? If has cold, then why are you? Cold and cough. Only cold and cough she has, so she was absent. Then why you all guys are laughing?
Ma'am, what is meaning of cough and cold?
Guys, do you remember you are studying in 8th standard?
Ma'am, but that's okay. You can tell us, na.
Okay. Cough means understood?
Ma'am has. Oh my God!
It's not a joke.
Ma'am, it
Go
is a
out of
joke.
my class. Go out of my class.
Ma'am, what is meaning of go out of my class?
Bahar nikal. Shut up.
So guys,
I hope that you like our funniest video. Now your name is not. Now your name is Sahana Ashni. So hope you guys will like this video. So please like, share, and subscribe.
subscribe to my channel.